What is in the fridge? Maybe just one small snack.
Oh, chocolate cake. It looks so good. Mom said no sweets today. But this is very small.
Dad!
Oh,
You scared me! Dad, you promised Mom.
No more sweets.
Huh?
I know, but I am just a little hungry. Let's do a challenge.
Let's do a challenge.
A challenge?
If you win, you eat cake. If you lose, you eat fruit.
Easy. I will win. Is this the banana?
No!
Apple?
No, Dad!
No, Dad.
Banana is here. Match.
Let me think. Where was it? Maybe this one?
Oops.
Wrong again.
We win!
What? Already? One more round.
Okay. Jump high, Dad.
Watch me. Whoa! Be careful.
Look at me! I can jump higher. We win again.
Oh no. Cake looks tasty. But I lost. Okay. I choose the apple. It is sweet.
Good job, Dad.
Good job, Dad. Thank you.
I feel a little sleepy. Dad?
Wow. Where am I? So much cake.
This is amazing!
One more bite. And another. Oh no. I feel heavy. Help! I am floating.
Dad, wake up!
it was just a dream.
A dream? It felt so real. Maybe I eat too much junk food. That was scary.
Let's go outside. Let's exercise.
Fresh air feels nice.
Yes. Run with us, Dad.
Okay, I will try. Wow. This is harder than I thought.
You are doing great! Keep going, Dad.
Hey! It is getting easier. I feel stronger.
We are proud of you. Dad, let's ride bikes.
Good idea.
Safety first.
Yes, always.
Come on, Dad.
I am coming. You can do it.
You can do it.
I will not give up. I can do this.
Wow, Dad! You are fast!
That was fun.
That was fun! Yes!
Ice cream. Maybe just one?
Dad! We are exercising.
You are right. No ice cream today. You are right. No ice cream today. I feel different. I feel light.
You look happy, Dad. And strong.
Today was a good day.
Yes! Fresh vegetables.
Oh, vegetables. Burger sounds good, but
Dad? What will you choose? What will you choose?
I want to stay healthy. I choose vegetables.
I am proud of you.
Good job, Dad.
This is actually good. Thank you, everyone.
Wow, the mall.
Stay close to me.
Look at the toys. So many. So...
We will look only. No running.
Everything is so pretty. I want this car.
Uh-huh.
Walk slowly.
Sorry, Dad. Can I touch this?
Yes, carefully.
Wait your turn.
Okay. Okay. Candy.
Dad, no candy today.
Good choice. Thank you for listening.
We had fun.